All right, traders, big apologies. Seem to be a bit of a dip over there, but we are back to finish off this morning's opening bell. And so, guys, we were actually chatting about the US futures. In specificity, we were chatting about the Dow Jones, the US 30. It's pretty bearish at this point in time, guys. You can see here that we have dipped below the 50 mark. And that's critical because, we're reaching that stage where the momentum could be driving totally to the downside. We're seeing that we've actually reached somewhat of a resistance. If you look at the strength of the chart, let's just make that a little bit more apparent right there. You'll see it here too. That is the actual resistance. So if we are breaking below this area here, we could be pushing further down to that zone there. And that could possibly happen today. That's going to be a very important one for us to see. All right. So let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look, see how this actually pans out. Don't forget to look at the latest news on the U.S. tariffs. President Trump removed 40% tariffs on Brazilian food products. And this applies to beef, coffee, cocoa, fruit. And the U.S. may refund, previous duties. And the reason is because there's many reduced food price pressures in the US. So it's going to be a very interesting one to see. But let's see how this Friday actually pans out. We have the ASX that fell by 1.4%, hitting a 5-month low, and as well as the Nikkei. We cannot forget the Nikkei over there. But what's going to be very important for today is for us to probably see what actually happens around the highlights of today, which markets are really risk off across the board. The theme everywhere is that uncertainty around the Fed cuts, plus delayed US data, plus tech and AI volatility. Safe havens like gold and silver are slipping, and while the US dollar remains a little bit strong. So we're going to have to check it out, see how it goes. But guys, we will be having our crypto decrypted this afternoon as well at 2 o'clock. We're looking forward to being with all of you guys. All right, have a fantastic morning as we do wrap up the FX trading side. Obviously, the crypto continues over the weekend, and we are looking forward to that. I'll say it again. We're going to be wrapping up the FX side for Friday. As you guys know, that the traditional FX pairs, they don't run over the weekend, but the crypto does. So we'll be wrapping that one up today, and then the crypto will be continuing over the weekend, meaning we'll be having the crypto decrypted at 2, and we'll be extending, some setups possibly to push over the weekend. All right, but join me at 2 o'clock for that. What an absolute pleasure being with you guys here this morning again. If you'd like to open up an account with us, don't forget, you can visit www.tdmarkets.com. You can also email us at care@tdmarkets.com. Looking forward to seeing you guys at 2 o'clock at Crypto Decrypted. Let's see what's happening in the crypto space, and let's look at some of those setups there whilst we trade those derivatives. All right, on the crypto side, that's TDME, the crypto exchange division of TD Markets. See you guys very soon. Thanks once again. It's Ashley Reeve here, guys, and I'm signing out. Ciao, ciao.